Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to change Facebook password in 2025. If you're using Facebook and now you want to change your Facebook password, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your Facebook app and here just go to menu icon, just tap on it and here you just have to look for settings and privacy. Here look for settings. In settings just tap on account center and here just select password and security. And here you have to look for change password option. Just tap on it. Here select your Facebook account and here you have to enter your current password and then tap on new password and after that just re-tab your new password which you want to set. First you have to enter your current password and after that you have to enter a new password which you want to set, as I'm going to set this one. So you just have to enter the password which you want to set and after that you have to enter the same password in the second option and here you have to make sure that your password is correct which you want to create new ones and after that you just have to tap on change password and your password will be changed. But if you have forgot your current password which you have, so you just have to tap on forget your password and after that you can easily change your Facebook password. So that's how you can easily change your Facebook password in 2025. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.